You have your new watch, so what's next? We're going to help you get started using your new iConnect by Timex smartwatch.
You can power your watch on or off by holding the power button for 3 seconds. This button also wakes your watch and always brings you back to the watch screen. Be sure to download the iConnect by Timex app, available in the iOS and Android app stores.
In the app, tap Me, then Device Settings. Pair with either Icon F or Icon S. On iOS, you'll also have to pair with Icon FLE or Icon SLE in your Bluetooth settings so your watch can control your phone. Once connected, the Bluetooth icon will light up on your watch. Now, let's go over the basics of using your new touchscreen smartwatch. With the square iConnect watch, swipe left to get to the menu and scroll up or down. To get back to the previous screen, just swipe right.
For the menus on the round iConnect watch, swipe left or right. If you want to select a feature, just tap it. Wear your watch your way by changing the face. Hold down the touchscreen, swipe left or right. If you want to select the face, just tap OK.
With a built-in microphone and speaker, you can make and receive calls right from your wrist. Make calls to your contacts or by dialing numbers.
When the orange notification icon appears, tap it to see the message.
iConnect by Timex also allows you to monitor your heart rate, track activity and sleep, and provides reminders to get up and move. Your iConnect watch has a built-in optical heart rate sensor. Tap the heart to start. During a workout, you can select continuous heart rate on the options screen.
Activity is tracked on your watch and measured within the app. Activity is automatically tracked, but can be disabled.
And if you're worried you aren't getting enough activity, you can set sedentary reminders. The watch will vibrate and ring as a reminder to get up and get moving.
iConnect automatically monitors your sleep between 9 p.m. and 9 a.m. The sleep monitor is indicated by the moon icon. This feature can be turned off in the sleep menu. Your activity, heart rate, and sleep data is periodically synced with your phone so you can see your activity and set goals. To manually sync, just press the sync button at the bottom of the app screen.
On the music screen, you can play, pause, or skip songs and adjust the volume for music on your phone. The camera screen lets you take pictures with your phone camera.
Your watch also includes a calendar, alarms, and a stopwatch. You can get more details on the website.